In this demonstration, we'll show you how to create multiple mail-out letters by importing data from an Excel into a product into OPM. Mouse across to the letter, which is in the invitations folder. Select the We Want You Back letter voucher recipient list. The recipient list merely refers to data contained in an Excel. Commence the customization steps. Let's leave the image as is for now. Select the location. Your subject line has pre-populated and you can amend it should you wish. You'll now attach a Excel file to the product. I prepared an Excel in advance. Having a quick look at it, you'll notice that the recipient's details are different for each of the entries. The introductory text varies depending on the recipient, as does the use by date. The discount field, which is a percentage value, has been left blank deliberately, and the sign-off is unique per recipient. Let's now attach this Excel to the product. Once you've selected the data, rename the list for easy recall later on, and proceed through to the next stage. Your data has now been pulled into the campaign, and you can proceed to now proof each of the 3 letters that was contained in the Excel. The system will automatically generate the price affiliated with production. In reviewing the letters, you'll notice that each of the letters have been uniquely created. The mailing address, the messaging, and the discount are all unique. Even the image affiliated with the coupon is randomized. We've put a rule in against this product, should there be no predetermined discount value, to automatically create a discount between 5 and 20%. Should you spot any errors in the proofing process, you can go back a step and you can edit any of the fields. In this case, I'm going to change my name and include 2 L's. From within this window, you can preview any of the amendments that you've made. Once you're happy with the changes, you can proceed, or you can choose to add a new field on the fly. Proceed through to the next stage. Confirm that your proof is acceptable. Add the product to the cart and check out as per normal. Thanks for listening.